Hey everybody, and welcome to another unpack. Hey everybody, and welcome back to another unpacking with me. As you can see, I already unpacked these glasses, and time for another gift. OMG, a SpongeBob costume. So let me just take this on. Take it on, girl. What if I wear this and then bring my mom into it? As you can see, my mom has clearly another one of them, but let's just first open SpongeBob. My mom would be a great SpongeBob. Sorry to bring you into this, Mom. And then the SpongeBob clothing. So yeah. And then, of course, Squidward. Oh, my dad would be perfect as Squidward. Wait, let me just change. Okay, done. I did some switching, so I'm SpongeBob, but that was kind of fun. So let's give this guys to some random people, and of course, I will be keeping this. And let me just give my siblings. Okay, I got my siblings, so one of them has to share this, and of course, like maybe they could just share it like that. But yeah, time to get my parents out of this. Okay, done. My parents are gone, so let's open this gift. Having so many presents are very hard. Oh, this is so cute. I might keep this for my own room. So instead of putting this one up. OMG, that's so cute. I love the decor. It's so cute. Oh, let me just... I love my flower mask. It's so cute. So I'm going to be wearing it because it kind of has flowers on it. Please don't look in my closets. That's private. OMG, a cute little rattlesnake plushie. That's so adorable. So I normally always do my bed in the morning. And like and subscribe if you want more videos like this. OMG, a banner. I can't use this for right now because maybe when I get home. And time for this one. Ooh, that's kind of cute. I don't really have a nap table. Let me just get that to 6. Okay, done. I got a little... Wait, let me just check. Okay, so check. I can still sleep in the bed while I have this cute little lantern. So cute. So, for the last gift... Oh, this is so cute too, but I have nowhere to put it. I will figure it out later. But for right now, time to clean everything up.